Sometimes, we find our YouTube subscription list to be far too long. We simply don't want so many channels to be subscribed. But even if we want to unsubscribe those, it's not an easy task. We have to manually do it one by one. So, is there any other way out? The answer is yes. Follow these steps to automatically unsubscribe all the channels. Click on Subscriptions. Click Manage. Scroll down to the end of the list. Right-click in a blank place. Click Inspect. Click Console. Go to the end of the code. Paste the copied code given in the description. Press Enter. The auto unsub process is started. Lay back and wait for the process to complete.